Gail from Our Space, and welcome to another craft video. Today I have two friends with me.
Hi, my name's Haley.
Hi, I'm Sam. Gail, what are we making today?
Well, today, since I love owls, we're going to make owls out of toilet paper rolls. And here are my two samples. Let's see yours. Nice. Oh, they all look really good. Nice and bright. So before we begin, we're going to do a breathing exercise to help us relax and get ready to do the craft. And so what I thought we could do is we'll take a deep breath in, and on the way out, we're going to flap our wings like an owl and say, whoo, okay? So we'll do it 2 times. So ready, deep breath in. Whoo. One more, deep breath in. Whoo. Okay, ready to go.
What supplies do we need?
Okay, so today, here's the supplies that we're going to need. Toilet paper rolls, construction paper, paint, paintbrush, scissors, glue or tape, and googly eyes. Okay, so here's the first step. Have you two pre-painted your rolls?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to do mine without paint because sometimes people don't have paint, and owls are brown anyway, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to do mine as is, like that. So you're going to take your roll, and the first step is you want to bend over both sides of the top. I'm going to kind of do it as I go, and then you're going to sort of squish the top to make it look the shape of an owl. Yes, good. Nice. Okay. So the next step is, for this one, I use googly eyes. And so I glued them on. And then for this one, I didn't have them, so I drew it on. So I'm going to draw my eyes on this one too. What are you both going to do?
I'm going to use googly eyes today.
Okay.
I'm going to use googly eyes. I actually have some foam. It's a sticker.
Oh, nice. That looks good. All right, I'm going to draw my eyes on. And I'm putting eyelashes on this one.
Me too.
Here's my.
Yeah.
Nice.
We've got little eyelashes.
Yes. Okay, while you're doing yours, I'm going to tell you a knock knock joke. Oh, nice. Okay, ready? Knock knock.
Who's there?
Who?
Who?
Right. Your owls.
Good one, Gail.
Thank you. Okay, the next step is we're going to put on the feathers, the wings. And so I pre-cut these already too. Kind of look like that. And I'm going to tape mine on, but you can also use glue.
We
Great.
both have yellow ones.
You do.
Oh, I have one too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
We did not plan that.
No, it must be a lucky color. So you're going to tape or glue them to the side. So do that. Anybody else have an owl joke?
I have one.
Okay.
What did the owl say to the judge?
What?
I'm telling you, it wasn't me.
That's a good one. And for people who might not be aware, the feet of an owl are called talons. So that is a perfect joke for that. Okay. So my wings are on. And now I am going to put my talons on. And the way I did mine was I took a piece of tape and I just taped it on the inside of the front like that. There's the tape, and then it'll look like that. Is that how you're doing it?
Yes, that's the exact
Yeah.
way.
Okay.
I've got another owl joke.
You do? Let's hear it.
Why did the owl invite his friends over?
Oh,
why?
Haley, why?
He didn't want to be owl alone.
Very good. Okay. I'm going to tell you a little fact I learned about talons. There's a few kinds of birds that have talons, but the owl with two in the front, 2 toes facing the front and 2 toes facing the back. But the owl is the only one where they can take one of their back toes and they can move it forwards. They revolve it forwards if they need it to like hold something or to perch. So then they'll have 3 in the front and 1 in the back.
Wow.
I didn't know that.
No, I learned that. Okay, next we're going to do the beak. And the beak also, you could draw it on, really anything goes with this craft. But I cut out a little beak and I put a little tape on the back, double-sided tape on the back. Made it, and there it is. There's my beak.
One of the talons won't stay on. It's being
Yeah,
silly.
you have to really press it, but you know what? If it doesn't, that's okay too.
That's okay.
Yeah.
My beak.
Oh, that beak looks nice.
All
Okay.
right.
And then the next step, well, you can keep working on yours, is to do something that you want on the belly of the owl. So this one, I cut out a piece of white paper and I decorated with marker. And this one, which is what I'm going to do today, is I cut out a bunch of round pieces of construction paper like this. And then I just taped them all over the front to make it look like that. How are you gals going to do yours?
I'm doing the same thing with the circles for little feathers, as we can see.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna draw on this one. I'm gonna do it.
Oh, that'll look really nice.
Thank you.
Like I said, anything goes and it's all going to look great. So here's the beginning of mine. And I'm going to finish my owl later. I'm going to keep working on it. Are you both going to keep working on your owls?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna decorate the wings.
Oh, great. These look really, really good. So we hope you enjoyed this craft video. And if you'd like to see some of our other videos, you can go to our website, www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Hi, thanks for watching.
Bye.